Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's look is extremely obvious on my face right now, and that is Captain America. And like I said, I love all the Marvel films and I love films in general, but obviously with EndGame having just come out, I thought it would be fun to do Captain America. And I did actually ask you on Instagram which you prefer, and this was the winner, so I really hope you like this look. I've also gone all blue and got like a bluey purple wig. It's also incredibly hard to find a blue wig. Like, this was the only one. It looks sort of purpley, sort of blue. But anyway, I'm actually really surprised with how this turned out. And it's my very first attempt using face paint, body paint. So please be kind and let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I'm always doing film and TV character recreations or just inspired looks. So make sure you don't miss any. And if you would like to see how I did this look, then carry on watching. So to start with, I have just done my base makeup and I've done some blue eyeshadow and put on some fake lashes, just so it gives it a bit of a look underneath. And for the rest of it, I'm going to be using this face paint palette, which I got off Amazon, but I will leave a link to it down below because I don't know the name of it. And I'm also using black eyeliners, pencils, just to draw out the shape and so I know where I'm going, basically. And anything else that I use, I will also show you, and links will all be in the description bar below. I also apologise for the fact that I look like an egg, because I have to have my hair tied up, and yeah, I just don't suit my hair tied up at all. So you're just going to have to bear with for the majority of this video. I do apologise. So that is my little tutorial on how to do the Captain America mask look. Obviously I used face paint, you could use eyeshadow if you just had that. But I am so pleased with myself, like how this turned out for my very first attempt at face paint. It's actually gone a lot better than I thought it would do, so I hope you like it too. You also have to let me know if you try and recreate this look, and also what character I should do next, as I'm always open to new ideas for looks I should do. But yeah, I hope you like this look, and also let me know if you've seen EndGame, but don't leave. Also have to let me know if you've seen EndGame and what you thought of it, but obviously don't leave any spoilers. But did you like it? Did you not? I don't know, I really liked it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!